was definitely planning to make that a lot longer than 2 clips, but it started raining really hard, so now we're back in the car. It's getting dark. It's not even 4:30 yet. That's the only stuff I hate about the winter time, is how cold and how like dark it gets super early. It's kind of annoying sometimes. What is going on, guys? Sorry for that little intro there because it was pretty bad, and I'm sorry for the poor lighting because, well, for some reason my light doesn't want to turn white anymore and it's on light purple. But we're gonna try to figure this out anyways. And it's also kind of weird because usually I have my camera on this side and we're doing it on this side, but we're gonna wing it and switch sides right now, you know? So before we start anything with this video, if you guys could please subscribe, that would be super dope. Really trying to hit 1,000 subscribers soon because I want to do a giveaway once we hit that 1,000. Now this video, it's definitely gonna be a ranty video. I was planning to do more of an edit, but as I said before, I got a new job, so things are a little bit difficult for me to get out and record edits. But we're gonna start getting back into it more. Today was supposed to be my only day off this week, but it turns out I'm working like 16 days in a row, which is fine because that paycheck is gonna be freaking dope. So today we are definitely gonna talk about my car and the plans we have going for it in 2020. Now, as you guys know, life goes in weird directions and does weird stuff, and sometimes it doesn't always go the way we had planned, which is definitely true about my entire 2019. Now, I'm not gonna get all sappy and sentimental about 2019 and what happened and blah, blah, blah. Some stuff happened, some stuff that I really wasn't happy about happened, but also some good things came out of it too. And I think one of the big things that was really good was all the progress we got done to my car and the stuff that we started to do, and it gave me more ideas of what to do. Now, the one big plan I had was to do my car maybe in a few phases. And I have a whole plan out of what I want phase 1 to be. And currently we are missing 2 to 3 parts. I'm gonna say 2 to 3 because one part I'm trying to get pretty soon. Probably not gonna get it in December. It's probably gonna be the start of the next year. And then the one's gonna be like a temporary fix for something else that's gonna be coming when it gets warmer. So in 2020, I wanna finish out phase 1 of my build. Now phase 1, as I said, it's missing 2 more things. So we're getting really close to finishing it as it is. And that's gonna be super dope. Phase 1 to me is just gonna be kind of a stepping stone of how I want the car to be. And it'll give me more ideas for what I do for phase 2. Phase 2 is also going to be started in 2020. And I think the biggest thing that we're going to be doing in 2020 is start making more power. Now, the main goal of 2020, in the first like 1 or 2 months, is to finish phase 1. Phase 1, it's going to be it's going to go into phase 2 because of one part that I'm going to be waiting on. And that one part I'm not even going to tell you about, but I'll give you a hint. When it's warmer out, that's when it's gonna get done. So in the meantime, I think we're gonna finish out phase 1 and we're gonna start going to phase 2. And phase 2, it's gonna be more high-end parts and it's gonna be a complete different aesthetic than I've gone to before. Now, the way I'm doing my phases, I'm doing them mainly aesthetically because I have a lot of power mods coming that I've planned out. I'll be working with my friend who works for a guy who owns a performance shop, so he can help me get some parts that you can't really get for the mass market. So we're gonna be making more power in 2020, and I think that's gonna be a super awesome thing. This car is fun, but it's missing that power. So we're gonna get that power, and we're just gonna get it, man. It's gonna be a crazy time, but then again, I literally just said this. You never know where life is gonna take you, so we're gonna see how long it takes you to complete these things. With this new job, I am making more money, so I should be able to get these parts a little bit faster and hopefully easier. But you know, stuff happens, we'll see what happens with it. Now, I really want to have certain things done by the end of the year of 2020. I want certain things to be in place, I want things to be rolling, but you never know what's gonna happen. I could lose a job, I could get a promotion, my YouTube could get picked up, I could start getting paid by YouTube. You never know what's gonna happen. But when I'm saying power, I'm not saying we're gonna be making boost yet. I do plan on boosting the car eventually, but not right now. I want to do kind of a more powerful NA build as much as I can, and I kind of want to hop on a dyno and see how much power we're making, because you don't see many people going for like high horsepower NA builds with BRZs. Usually people just throw some sort of boost in there. They're either throwing a freaking Nagasaki wind turbine in there, or they're throwing in, I don't know if there's funny names for superchargers. But that's what people are doing, and I kind of want to enjoy the NA life, enjoy the safety for a little while before we start boosting. If there's anything you guys want to see done to the car, make sure you guys are commenting what you guys want to see, because I am all for taking suggestions, because I want my build to be a little bit more unique than all the other BRZs you see out there. As you guys can see, I don't have camber and I'm not super duper slammed, and that in itself is a unique thing for this car, because that's literally what everyone does, is you just slam and camber it out, and I absolutely hate that look. So we're not going for that. A lot of people are saying I'm going for a track inspired look here. I'm not really sure what I'm going for. I'm just kind of going for what I think looks good and what I think kind of fits the car well. I have reasons behind some of the parts I got, but one of the big things I do want to do is help smaller companies. So if you guys know smaller companies that make maybe some aero parts that I don't have, or some performance parts that I don't have, make sure you guys are commenting maybe their website or their Instagram or something, and I'm gonna try to see if I can reach out with them and make a deal, because I think, you know, they're helping me out, I help them out. It's always a good thing to do. For some of you people, I'm not sure if any of you guys came from it, but I made a TikTok recently. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys check out my TikTok. It's under TTRBRZ, or TTR_BRZ, just like the channel here. Show me some love on there, because I've been getting kind of a decent amount of views on there, which I thought was kind of interesting. But, you know, the more love, the merrier. I do apologize for how dark this video is coming out. I don't know why the white function isn't working on here, and I'm pretty sure this is all the way up on brightness. I'm not really sure what's going on. I'm gonna try to figure out a better lighting solution, so if I have to do stuff at night while driving, like this video, I can make it look a little bit better. I should be having off some more days, so I want to get a good edit going, because I feel like it's been a while since I've had like a really good one. So we have some plans coming out. I think 2020 is going to be a very big year of video making for me personally, because I've got some ideas and I've got some things I got to get done soon. So with that being said, I can run through some things, destroy some parts that I don't really care about anymore, and I think it's gonna make for some good content. So I think 2020 is gonna be the year of content for me, and hopefully some other big stuff. Hopefully we start getting more watch time and we can actually start getting paid and stuff, because any dollar really counts, and it's gonna be all put towards the build and towards my car. And I do wanna get a project car relatively soon. So every dollar is gonna be put towards that from this channel. Every dollar I make from the channel, I wanna put back into the channel. I do wanna get a new camera, but for now, this one is good enough for what we're doing, because it's a good vlogging camera. But 2020, trying to get some more of that quality going. Like 10 minutes goes by, and look how dark everything is now. That's why I'm really happy I ended up getting this light from Lit Lights. Check them out. And use code LIT10 to get a 10% discount on any of their lighting products, because I forgot I have that. But having this light is kind of cool, because, you know, it lights up the car, but for some reason it doesn't want to be white today. It happens. But I think 2020 is going to be a really exciting year, and I'm really excited to continue my car journey with you guys. And I really hope we can get more people, you know, following the builds, more regular viewers, because that would mean everything to me. One of my dreams is just to be able to be like self-sufficient off YouTube, because I think that'd be a really cool thing. I don't really ever see myself being like a conventional worker. I mean, I've been doing hard work and kitchen work and work in restaurants the past like 10 years. About, not really, close, since I've been like 17. But, you know, I would like to see myself doing stuff more that I enjoy, doing stuff with cars, and I think that would be absolutely incredible. And hopefully 2020 is a year that we can really start doing stuff like that and start making moves. And I think that'd be a cool thing. Now, if you guys could also check out my Teespring account at teespring.com/the-2tr-store and pick up some of my merch. Again, all of that money and proceeds will help fund my builds and everything towards this car and this channel. I'm gonna leave you guys off here today, so comment, like, subscribe, keep doing you, keep doing all that fun stuff. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out. Peace.